Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with another exciting topic which is about CodeSpy.ai. But before I introduce this tool, let's take a quick look at this video. How interesting this particular product is all about. You must have got an idea what this is all about, but let me quickly show you what this product is, how you can use it, and why is it useful for you. And towards the end, I will also show you how can you experiment this with your own source code. So let's see what this CodeSpy is all about. So it is a very new and I would say a very exciting tool which is available in market today, specifically designed for coders, developers, educators, and the tech professionals. So let me show you one thing. So what it does, what it can do for us. So it helps you detect AI generated code. So there are scenarios where we don't want AI generated code depending on the business, depending on the enterprise, depending on the product we are building. We just want to detect whether this code is generated by AI or not. And this tool supports programming languages like Java, JavaScript, C++, C#, Python, and PHP. There are many more languages are coming, but those are still in beta. But I believe it's a good start if you are a Java, Python, C# or a C++ developer. Then another reason why what it does is it highlights AI written sections. So it will say that whether this code is generated by AI or not, but it will also tell you which particular sections are written by the AI or which line is written by the AI. So that can give you a pretty much good idea about what you need to change and whether do you really need to change that code or not. It also provides you the confidence score and the detailed breakdown of which parts of the code were likely written by an AI model. So that is another fun factor which you would like to explore. And the last and the most interesting one I would say is the integration with a GitHub and VS Code using the plugin and extension. So if you're using this particular feature, you can enable the real-time scanning for your source code whenever somebody is checking in or whenever somebody is pushing in the new code. So I believe this would be the best tool if you are looking forward for your AI analysis with respect to whether it is generated by AI or not. Let's talk about another feature, like why is it useful, why we should use this particular feature. So we can see that nowadays AI usage is growing like anything, and not every industry or product wants to infuse AI generated code into their product or the system because they truly require some sort of authenticity, and that's the only reason I think they want to see whether this code is written by the AI model or not, whether this is detectable, whether the code is written by AI or not. But the point here is whether this code is full of bugs or not, because we all know that whatever is generated by AI is not 100% foolproof. So it means there are chances that there would be some bugs remaining or there may be some sort of security risk in the AI generated code. So that is the reason we need some sort of tool which can do that detection part for us. Then we do have the audit code bases category, wherein we will see that whether this particular code is compliant as per our reviews or our organization's policy. So if you are looking for such kind of audit, then you should integrate this particular tool in your pipeline. We do have a QA workflow. So what it does is, let's say you want to flag something untrusted or unreliable, then this also supports the QA workflows. It means you can integrate this into your pipeline. And the last one, which is I believe the most interesting one, and it is very useful for educators, hiring managers, and open source maintainers to verify the originality of the content. So content or the code, whatever they are contributing, should not be AI generated. It should be their own original outcome. And so that is another reason I believe that this tool could be very, very useful. One most important thing which you need to remember is this particular tool or the product will not rewrite the code, or neither it will fix the coding mistakes or the leftover issues you have in your code. it will just detect whether this code is human written or it is generated by the AI. And that is, I think, the most important part when you are looking for authenticity. So let me quickly show you how we can use this tool. So I will move on to its website. So this is the website. You can see CodeSpy.ai. You can log into this website, and let me start it from here. So you will log into the website and see that this is the very simple user interface. On the left hand side, you have a menu having 3 options, and on the right hand side, you have the plans and the new AI skin. Let me quickly show you the plans. So right now they have 4 plans available. The first one is free, which means if you are looking forward to experiment with this product, go ahead and try out this free plan. Then we do have another plan which is consultant. So this is the one which I am using right now. And if you are running a small business or if you are using it for the enterprise grade, then these last 2 plans could be the better fit for you. And the most important thing here is, like I was saying, you can use extensions, plugin, you can integrate with your pipeline. So for that, you may have to go with this API thing, which is again additional fee. If you want to customize something in your workflow or the pipeline, then API would be the best, I would say, integration with your system. Then they have annual plans as well, where you will get at least 70% off over here, and here you can say you are getting 92% off. So just quickly check it out, and I will show you how you can go ahead and use it. Now let's click on this new scan. So here you can paste your code. So I'm going to paste some Java code here, and I believe most of its part are, or in fact almost this entire code is grabbed from the AI tool or the AI model. So if I will click on the language, which is this, and here you can see many options. Like I was saying, these are the languages which it supports, and there may be a scenario where you're not sure whether it is AI generated or whether it is human. So you can simply click on this and click on analyze. But in my case, I'm sure because I've already experimented it. So I can directly go with the mixed AI plus human code, assuming that some of the code is written by human as well. So let's click on analyze, and it will give you report in no time. And here you can see it is mostly generated by AI. And the time it took to generate this report was like with a lightning speed. Let's click on this. And here you can see the 98, which means that there are 98% chances, or the probability is 98% that this code is generated by AI. And these red section you can see here are generated by the AI. This one, most likely it is generated, or it may not generated. It is having a mixed thought. That's why it is in yellow color. So seems this code was modified, but it could be AI generated. So that's why it is kept in yellow color. And if you want to know what all things model feels that it was AI generated, so these are the highlighted section. The red ones you can see. And here, like I was saying, it is moderately predictive. It means it may be AI generated, it may not be. There are no 100% results or the chances for this one. But rest all the red ones you can see is generated by the AI model. So this is one thing. Let me quickly show you another code which I have written. So this is my code, which definitely I have pulled it from the AI model, but let me show you here. So I will go with this one, click on analyze, and this time is the Python code. And here you can see for this also, like I said, I modified, but still it is written by the AI tool. So these are the stuff you can see that are generated by the AI. I haven't written these lines of code. So most likely it is in most of the chances it is giving very good results. I didn't find any scenario where it is giving me false results. So I would really recommend you to go and check it out. So here you can see it will refresh this history in a while, where you will see how much is AI generated, how much is, let me refresh this page. And apart from that, you have the reports option here and the projects option. So if you will click on this, you have this project created. So in my case, I haven't created any project. That's why it is falling under the default project category. And these are the files which will be up soon, but right now it is still in beta. So these are the key features. And if you want to know what all things it can do. There is a nice blog on this, so you can see that you can generate the score. For generating the score and all, you need to have the higher level subscription, which I have not taken, so I may not be able to show you that part, but here they are giving you how you can integrate with GitHub, and I think this would be a very good addition if you are trying it out. They do have the demo of the similar code here. And yeah, that's all I have. So do let me know in comments what do you think about this and whether it is really helping you in identifying your AI generated code like a spy. Thanks for watching.